Hi, Business Fundamentals class. This is Professor Patrick Tormey. Today is Wednesday, July 1st, and we're going to cover three more chapters. We're up to 16, 17, and 18. So now 16 is using effective promotion. So we're going to finish up the marketing component of the class. We talked about marketing, we talked about channels of distribution, pricing, and now this is promotions. If you remember the 4 P's, product, price, place, promotion, it all fits in together. Now chapter 17, we changed topics completely. We're moving over to accounting and financial information. So all the aspects of accounting, it's a very, very big discipline in our college, and many students major in accounting, and it's usually a very, very lucrative career track, lots of jobs waiting for you. So we're going to talk about all the nouns and verbs and adjectives in accounting. And finally, we're going to finish up chapter 18. This is financial management, very, very big topic. Again, another very, very big discipline in our college, lots of jobs. I think the number one employer at this time in New York is the financial community. Not only Wall Street, you have stocks, bonds, mutual funds, all the people that manage money, pension funds, insurance companies, tremendous employer people that have the discipline of finance. So these are three very interesting chapters, 16, 17, 18. And of course, on Monday, we'll finish the book with 19 and 20. So this is the preliminary video. Of course, I'll see you on Zoom in a little while. Thank you very much for paying attention. Bye now.